this thing, eh? What do you say? I don't know if you can see it that good. Let's put it right here. Well, guys, so check it out. Just got the new chop saw in the mail from Amazon, of course. It's about $400, so it's about $375. It's an Evolution. Can't remember if 14. No, it's a 15-inch steel chop. Pull this thing out because I've been wanting to use it for a while. Ooh, I think I got it all set up already. So I have already pulled this out once. But let's put this in the back of the bed. Alright, you guys. So one of the things I ordered, the reason I ordered this, is for the cast iron base. Now, I had a buddy that told me that you need the cast iron base. It's a lot better chop saw, just built stouter, I think. So everything on this, as far as the clamps and the backstop, all cast iron. So super nice. It's built really nice. So it comes with a blade for $475, or no, $375, and I'll put the link down in the description if you guys are looking for a chop saw. But super freaking excited about this thing. So should work out pretty good. We're gonna find out here in just a second. We're gonna cut some angle iron right now. So stay tuned. We'll bring you back here in just a second. All right, guys, it's freaking cold out here. I know that I am going to get asked. And I'm glad you did ask, all right? What in the world did you get the hoodie? Up in smoke. Best thing you're ever gonna wear in the wintertime. This thing is a wind stopping, spark stopping. It's a freaking awesome deal. But okay, so we got this thing set up. So Up in Smoke, go check them out, all right? UpInSmoke.com. Put the link down at the bottom. But guys, we just got this piece of, I believe it's 3x3 angle iron set up in the chop saw. Let's cut it. Basically, no cleanup, totally worth the freaking money. Super excited about it. So stay tuned for a lot of projects with this. So I know Randy has one, and we use it a bunch to get the bed feel. And I'm just excited to finally have one of my own. So we're gonna cut 3 more of these. These are actually gonna be used to hold my machine down. Yes, I've had the bed on my truck for like 6 months, and no, the weld machine has not been properly secured. All right, it's in place where it won't go anywhere, but this is what these are for. So, guys, be blessed. Hope you enjoyed. Go check out these chop saws. So far, 1 cut in, so I'm digging it, all right? That just saved a whole bunch of time cleaning up, cutting. Woo! All right.